Hey people, it looks like I'm holding the camera ulta, but these are the five precious little souls who've been born, and I'm hoping that the mother rabbit who's sitting right here, मैं तेरे को लेकर जाऊं कहीं. I'm hoping that she nurses them. Tara, your babies, Tara. So yeah, I'm just there are 5 of them and they need to be fed, and I just hope they survive till Friday. Yeah, this is just it is just this is just so sweet, so sweet. I'm just so happy. So they're such cute little babies. I'm just so happy that they're here. Tara,